These sick pets of ours are here to play. So come on down and watch them play all day. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to clean a conures cage, or pretty much any cage. So let's get started. Oh, careful. And here's Bailey. Alright, so let's get started. Place close up. Alright, Kiwi, let's get started. Oh, that's a big fly there. Dude, be careful. Alright, go back up there. Alright, close that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take out this tray. Oh, hi, Bailey. With all the nasty stuff on it. And then what you're going to want to do is take off this sheet that we put on last time. Into there we go, a plastic bag. And then what you're gonna want to do is take your Pet Safe spray. It says bird cage on there, cleaner, and then you want to take that, or you could take water if you don't have it. Here to come off. Let it sit for a few seconds while you fail at taking this off. And then you're gonna take some paper towel and just then you're gonna want to take a sheet of newspaper, cut it down to size, which I already did, and then take, this is optional, but Kiwi likes to have baths and then move the paper, so take a little bit of tape, fold it over like that, and put that 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he also has this grate in his cage, and I'm just gonna wipe it down. I cleaned, these come off, so I cleaned this one, that one, and the one behind. So I took all those off, cleaned those. Cleaned the inside bars and everything. Oh, did you just poop? You silly birdie. You just want to take some more of this Pet Safe stuff with some of that, and then just you dance, silly birdie. Huh? You gonna bite the camera? Oh, don't do that. Is that silly birdie? Silly birdie? Oh. Oh, you're silly. And then, so yep, that's what we're doing now. And then we'll show you what we're doing next. So now, as you can see, I'm just taking off and unscrewing all the toys from his cage. And then, see, I'm just putting some new toys in here so he doesn't get bored and start plucking his feathers, because they'll do that. So you need to make sure that you get new toys every time you clean their cage. There's Kiwi. Ooh. All right. So now, what we did, we took all the toys out and put new toys in. Really? We put new toys in his cage. That one in the middle, and then the other ones. And believe it or not, this one actually did have a bell on the bottom. And Mr. Flight over here took it off, right? He loved bells. So he took that off. And now, to finish it, I'm going to put this tray back on. So that's what we have for this video for today. So thanks guys for watching. I hope it helped if you didn't know how to clean a cage. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you next time. Right here. Oh, good bird. Goodbye.